everyone, it's Lois Avalanette with Easy as Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you my 2018 holiday catalog unboxing. Stay tuned because you're in for a few surprises. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I have some really great products to show you. Watch the entire video to get a sneak peek at the Country Lane Suite, which will be featured in my next video. I just love this holiday catalog, and you will too. I just love it when my holiday order arrives. I love creating projects around Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall, Christmas, and New Year's. So let me show you what I have in my box. I ordered 4 sets of the Stampin' Blends. These are our new alcohol markers, and I just love them. They are so much fun to color with. So for my fall cards, I bought the Blackberry Bliss and the Cajun Craze, and this coordinates with one of the suites in the catalog, and I'll show you some more of that in a few minutes. And then I also got the Real Red and the Shaded Spruce, which also coordinates with some of the suites in the catalog. Then I ordered the Frost White Shimmer paint. We have this available in 4 different colors, and I think this is just going to be a really pretty addition to my holiday cards. And I also purchased the white because you can color it, so you can make it different colors, and I'll be making a video showing you how to do that. I bought the gold metallic thread. This will make a great accent on any holiday project. And then I have the braided linen trim. This will be great for fall cards, but also I think this will be great on Christmas cards and also for masculine cards. And then here I have a new tool that Stampin' Up is offering called Take Your Pick. This is a tool that every paper crafter will just love. And please watch for my video that I will have with tips on how to use the new tool. And then I ordered the Country Home stamp set. This will make a really nice Thanksgiving cards, but also you can use this year-round. Then I purchased this Wishing You Well stamp set. It's one of our distinctive stamp sets. It's a patent pending process where the rubber stamps stamp a really 3-dimensional and very detailed image. This stamp set will be great for holiday cards, Christmas, and Thanksgiving, but also to be used all year long. And then I ordered the Winter Woods bundle. Comes with the Winter Woods stamp set and the In the Woods framelits. This will make great Christmas cards, but I could see these stamped in fall colors, and that would be a really pretty fall or Thanksgiving type card. I think also that trees are great for masculine cards, and this bundle also coordinates with a stamp set in our main catalog called Lovely as a Tree. This is our tin tile dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. So we have some galvanized metallic paper in the catalog, and you use it with this embossing folder, and it creates the effect of the tin tiles that used to be placed on the ceilings in older homes. You can also use it with any of our cardstock. Then I ordered the baker's boxes. These will be great for putting little holiday treats in, cookies or candies, or maybe even a gift card. This is the Country Lane Designer Series paper, which is part of the Country Lane suite, and I will show you the patterns in just a few minutes. And then this is the galvanized metallic paper. It was designed to be used with the tin tile embossing folder to really give it the look of the tin tile. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter with techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. The link is below. So these are all the products that I purchased that are part of the Country Lane suite. I'm really excited to use these products to make Thanksgiving cards and other projects for the holiday season. So I just wanted to show you how it all coordinates really nicely. So we have the Cajun Craze, which is a nice orange, and then the really nice Blackberry Bliss purple color, and then the Country Lane stamp set, and the braided linen trim, and then the tin tile dynamic textured impressions embossing folder coordinates with this galvanized metallic paper. So this is the Country Lane Designer Series paper. This is a really lovely image with the milk cans and then pumpkins and some fall floral images. And then on the back side we have this nice polka dot pattern in Blackberry Bliss. And then here we have some cotton with the mint macaron and the whisper white and early espresso. And then on this side we have a pattern in Blackberry Bliss. That's the tin tile pattern. And also, if you see here, this stamp coordinates also with the images on this paper. So this is a really lovely pattern in the Blackberry Bliss. And here's another cotton image in the crushed curry, early espresso, and whisper white. And on the reverse side we have a nice checked pattern in the Blackberry Bliss. And then here we have some pumpkins in whisper white, Cajun Craze, and mint macaron background. And then on the back side we have this nice diagonal pattern in crushed curry. And then we have this faux wood texture in early espresso. And then on this side we have a nice stripe pattern in the Blackberry Bliss and crushed curry. And then here we have some more fall floral images in all the colors from the suite. And then on this side we have a nice pattern in crushed curry. Visit my blog to see how I use the Country Lane suite to create a project for my Uplines team meeting. Here's a sneak peek. The link is below. So as you can see, one side of our Designer Series papers fits with the theme of the suite, and then on the other side we have, they're in the colors that coordinate with the suite, but the patterns are ones that can be used to make cards all year long. So please watch for my videos that will showcase this suite. I hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek. I've included a free wishlist PDF download. The link is below. If you would like to join a community of crafters just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date products, tips, and techniques to keep your projects fresh. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Leave a comment below telling me what your favorite suite is in the holiday catalog. Thanks for visiting Easiest by Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.